What's up EV fans, John with Mobility Evo. It was not an ideal weekend for being outside. It could be hit or miss in Colorado. It was around 10 degrees Fahrenheit and we had a high wind warning. We had to make do with what we had. We did get a little riding in, but not as much as we liked. We did some donuts. Rode a little in the woods. And got to see what kind of top speed we could hit. We'll get back up to the mountains with the Sur-Ron again soon. Stay tuned for our next video, which will highlight all of the EVs at the LA Auto Show. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. We're running a giveaway in the month of November. Check the description for more details.